Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to display our Wi-Fi password by using command prompt or by using CMD. So now we can start. As you see, this is command prompt. Just leave it to run it as administrator. Run as administrator. So yes. So this is command prompt as administrator. Make sure you have learned as administrator. So now we're going to start by typing our commands. So now net WLAN show profile. As you see, profile on interface Wi-Fi. Group policy profile rate only now. User profile or user profile NetDog or user profile var 1995. You can check there. This is our Wi-Fi NetDog. As you see, NetDog internet access. So now we can proceed by typing netstream. We are going to export our file that will contain our Wi-Fi with their password. So netstream WLAN export profile. So we are going to select folder where our file will be located. Profile folder equal C slash key equal clear. This key equal clear will help us to display the keys in clear format or an encrypted format. So now let's run our command. As you see, interface profile NetDog is saved in file C Wi-Fi NetDog.xml successfully. So now we can check. I'm going to check or no. Let us see. NetDog. So let's check in local disk C where we saved our document. This is Wi-Fi NetDog. You can open. Let us use Notepad. As you see, our network name NetDog, SSID config, SSID NetDog name, connection type SSS, connection mode auto, security, authentication encryption, auth encryption, authentication method WPA2PSP, encryption IS, advanced encryption standard, use 1 X fast, shared key type, passphrase, key material. This is our password. This is the password that we need to see. This is the password of our network. This is the password of NetDog name. This is the password that we needed to look for. This is the password that we need to know. So now, thank you for watching. Do subscribe for getting more information about that. Thank you.